Hello friends, today we'll talk about lean manufacturing, which is very demanding in companies nowadays. Lean manufacturing is a methodology that focuses on minimizing waste within manufacturing system while simultaneously maximizing productivity. Every company wants to minimize their waste and maximize their production. By using lean, you can ensure that improve the quality of your work. So, why would we want to implement lean manufacturing? What are the benefits of lean manufacturing? Here are some benefits of lean manufacturing: reduce lead times, reduce operating cost, and improve product quality. By implementing lean tools in your business, you have the opportunity to eliminate waste, to save money, and to grow your business. Here are 5 main principles of lean manufacturing. Value. Value is always defined by the customer's need for a specific product. Value stream. Once the value has been determined, the next step is mapping the value stream, or all the steps and process involved in taking a specific product from raw materials and delivering the final product to the customers. Flow. After the waste has been removed from the value stream, the next step is to be sure the remaining steps flow smoothly with no interruptions, delays or bottlenecks. Pull. With improved flow, time to market can be dramatically improved. This makes it much easier to deliver products as needed, as in just-in-time manufacturing or delivery. Perfection. Completing steps 1st to 4th is a great start, but the 5th step is perhaps the most important, making lean thinking and process improvement part of your corporate culture. It is important to remember lean is not a static system and requires constant effort and vigilance to perfect. Every employee should be involved in implementing lean. Here are 7 ways of lean are: transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, defects. Here are some lean manufacturing tools and concepts. Hijunka, releasing work to the plant at the required rate and avoiding interruptions. 5S, a set of practices for organizing workspace to create efficient, effective and safe areas for workers, and which prevent wasted effort and time. 5S is one of the basic building blocks of lean manufacturing and one of the first lean tool that you will start with your implementation with. The steps of 5S are: sort, removing all clutter from the area; straighten, to set in order the equipment, tools and materials; sweep, to clean and check everything; standardize, to put in place a standard ways of working; sustain, to install self-discipline and make the process part of everyday practice. Many will also add the 6th S for safety to make it more specific step of the process. Next is the just-in-time delivery. Just-in-time manufacturing is an on-demand system that allows manufacturers to go into production only after the customer has requested a product. Judoka, a method that defines an outline for detecting an abnormality, stopping work until it can be corrected, solving the problem, then investigating the root cause. Pokayoke is also known as error proofing, is a common process analysis tool that is based on the idea of prevention. Pokayoke focuses on making sure that the right condition exists before any process is put in place. Cycle time, how long it takes to produce a part or complete a process, and then a visual aid such as flashing light that alerts workers to a problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit on like button and share this video with your friends. Also press the bell icon for more relevant videos related to interview question and other relevant topic, and also you can follow my Instagram page for latest job openings.